how plants make food. Have you ever wondered how plants make food? It's actually a really interesting process, and it all starts with these little holes on a leaf. These little holes are called stomata, singular stoma, and just like your mouth, they can open and close. When they're open, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata. The plant also has these tiny water-conducting cells that take in water from the soil through the roots and then transport it up to the leaves. And lastly, the plant needs sunlight to power the whole process. So when the sun is shining, the plant's like, hey, let's make some food. And when the sun goes away, the plant's like, no, let's not make any food right now. Now, the plant has everything it needs to make food, but it needs some help from tiny little organelles called chloroplasts, are like the chefs of the cell. They take the ingredients from around the cell and mix them together to make food. Specifically, the chloroplasts are going to take that carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and mix them together in a process called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis literally means putting together with light. So, we're taking in light energy and putting it into the plant's food. But what does the plant get out of this food making process? Well, the plant takes the carbon dioxide and water and uses them to make glucose, which is the plant's food, and as a byproduct, it releases oxygen back into the air. So the plant is using the carbon dioxide that we exhale and the water from the ground and using that along with the sun's energy to make its food. And we get to breathe in the oxygen that it makes. And just like you and me, plants need to eat their food. The glucose that the plant makes is a sugar, and it is stored in the plant S cells for later use. The plant uses this sugar for energy, just like how you and I use the food that we eat for energy. And if there's extra sugar, the plant will store it in its roots, stems, or leaves until it needs it later. So the next time you see a plant, remember that it's using the sun's energy to make its own food. And you can thank the plant for cleaning the air for you by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen.